This is how I break down the massive Costco salmon for sushi. Not only is it more affordable than dining out, but the taste is unbeatable when you prepare it fresh at home. The cross-section is gorgeous. First, start by preparing your saku blocks. They're about 4 finger length each. For the ones I'm not eating right away, I'm going to wrap it twice and store it in the freezer. I'm now dividing the back and the belly side of the fish. This portion is great for sashimi. I'm going to go ahead and slice it thinly. For the nigiri sushi, I'm slicing at an almost 45-degree angle. Now that we're done slicing, let's make sushi. 15 grams of seasoned rice. Place it on the fish, squeeze, rotate, squeeze. Nice. It's ready to eat, but I like to add grunions and also sesame seeds. This is something I learned in Sushi Den. It's delicious. Let's plate our sashimi as well, and let's give it a taste. The sashimi first. That's a true delight for the senses. Because it's a top loin, it's firm yet tender. It has a silky smooth texture that melts in your mouth. The clean, fresh flavor of the salmon is highlighted by the addition of wasabi and soy sauce, which gives it a subtle kick of spice and saltiness. Next, the nigiri sushi. This is what I'm most excited about. And yes, you're only supposed to dip the fish side into the soy sauce, but do whatever you like. The flavor is mild and delicate, with a sweet buttery flavor that is perfectly complemented by the slightly tangy and savory taste of the sushi rice. The addition of the grunions and the sesame seeds on top is a delicious twist on a already classic sushi dish. The grunions are crispy and crunchy, which adds a refreshing element, while the sesame seeds gives the dish a nutty flavor and the satisfying crunch that adds a texture to every bite. What's crazy is that I only used about half of the saku block. And because I have so much fish left, I'm going to make a whole separate batch for Camera Woman. 10 out of 10. For the ones I'm not eating, I'm going to wrap it twice and then store it in the freezer.